Hi all, welcome to Programmers Divine. This section is about tools for developers. This is part 1, version control technologies and tools. The developer tools and technologies used in version control. The first tool in the list is GitHub. So GitHub is a technology. So it's a developer platform that allows developers to create, store, manage and share their code. It uses Git software as a base and it is used for access control, bug tracking, software feature request, task management, continuous integration on every project. The second tool in the list is GitLab. So GitLab is similar to GitHub. So it is a web-based Git repository that provides free, open, and private repositories issue following capabilities. It is a complete DevOps platform that enables professionals to perform all the tasks in a project, from planning to source code management, everything we can do with GitLab. Third in the list is Bitbucket. So Bitbucket is a cloud-based service which is mainly used in many companies nowadays, which is based on Git. It will provide a clear cloud-based Git repository hosting service, which is well used for managing the source codes. SourceForge Tool 4. So SourceForge is a web service that offers software consumers a centralized online location to control and manage open source software projects. So it is similar to the previous tools, plus it is also providing source code repository hosting, bug tracking, mirroring of downloads. Thanks for watching Programmers Divine. Please subscribe my channel.